my channel. Today's fashion review I'm very excited about, but before we jump into it, please be sure to subscribe and to like this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a handbag, specifically a tote bag. I was really in need of a tote bag. I was looking at Marc Jacobs tote bag, but I had a pretty bad experience with Marc Jacobs, so I ended up going with the Tory Burch. Tory Burch to me is a better product anyway, but you can see my experience with Marc Jacobs. I'll put the link in the comments section. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Ella Patent tote bag from Tory Burch. I bought it while I was in New York. I went to their store. It was beautiful. It was their flagship store. It was 3 levels. Customer service was amazing. However, they were out of stock in the store of the tote bag, so they ended up shipping it to my house or shipping it to me, and it showed up to me like within 4 days. So yeah, no problem with that. Let's jump right into the review. Let's start off with the price. The price for this tote bag was $248, so really not bad at all. A really good investment. And tote bags are really trendy right now, so let me go ahead and get the tote bag. So here is the tote bag. I already unboxed it. I haven't taken it out yet. The tag is still on. Super cute. You see how it's kind of shiny right here. This bag is made out of recycled nylon. It's going to be pretty durable. This bag can hold a 15-inch laptop. My laptop is a MacBook and it's 13 inches and it fits just fine in here. Let me show you this. Show you the inside, and there's plenty of room for other things as well. You see that? Let me take my laptop out so you can take a look at the purse. So this is perfect for traveling, airport, car trips, or anything like that. So the inside, first of all, it doesn't have a zipper to close everything, but it has this little strap right here, and it is magnet to this, so it will keep it closed, which is nice. Also inside, you have a flap, and then you also have a zipper, so you can put like important things like money or anything like that in the zipper. Also, if you want to make this a tighter closed space, it has little brass buckles or snaps right here, so you can snap it together to make it tighter. Same thing on the other side. And also, I don't really know what this is for. I guess you can use this as like a makeshift pocket, but the front of the logo right here, it has a button or a snap like that, but only in the front. So I guess you could like stick something right there to hold it, I guess. It'll hold something. But overall, I think this is a wonderful purchase. I love Tory Burch. I'm a big fan. They never disappoint. They're on the more affordable side, and their products most of their products are very high quality, so I strongly recommend this. And let's see, you guys can get a close-up on the bag. And that's it for my review on the Ella Patent tote bag by Tory Burch. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys later.